In this video, we are going to cover condition formatting, lookup and VLookup. First of all, I'll show you the concept and why condition formatting is used. So here on my screen, I wrote some sentences. If you want to be informed in real time, in this case, condition formatting is to be used. Second one is answer questions visually. Analyze data, find exceptions, find relationships between cells and between columns, and find trends. Enhance data presentation using small changes within your conditionally formatted rules. So this way you can analyze your data, you can show your trends, your relationships between your cells and between your columns. You can see some of these things we can do using graph also. That is also possible, but graph is having its own limitations. It has a limitation because with huge data, graph is not working properly. It is working, but it is not working properly. We cannot see huge data in a small graph. So that's why conditional formatting is used. So here I will show you what is the concept of conditional formatting. Here I wrote some numbers 1 to 9. Now I wanted to display these numbers if this number is between 1 to 3. If this number is between 1 to 3, it should be displayed in green cell color. Okay. Now if this number is between 4 to 6, should be displayed in yellow color, and if it is 7 to 9, then should be displayed in red color. This is my requirement, but I already did it here. But suppose this 2 number is displaying in green cell, but I wanted to change this number with 8. Now I wanted to replace 2 with 8. Here I am going to edit. I wrote 8, but if I press enter, you can see still it is displayed in green color only. Actually my requirement is if 7 to 9 number is there, it should be displayed in red color automatically, but it is not working. Suppose here I am selecting 8, and if I am writing 1 instead of 8, it should display in green color, but it is not working fine because we put these colors physically and there is no any conditional formatting behind this cell, or we have not applied any rule to these cells. This way, here again you can see this is the same data, but here I already applied conditional formatting, and now how it is working. Now I am selecting this 2, and now I am going to replace with 9. Now as soon as press enter, you can see automatically it is displayed in red cell. Suppose here I am selecting this 8 and I wanted to replace it with 5. Now you can see automatically it is displaying yellow color, and here I am selecting yellow color and I am writing 1 there. Now you can see automatically it is displaying green color. So this is something conditional formatting. Based on our condition, my cell will be formatted. Okay. So here I have applied some rules. I am showing you some rules are already there. Here we can see cell value between 7 to 9. In that case, red color should be there. So I have applied these 3 rules here. Okay. We'll see it how to apply cell conditions and all the things. One more thing here I'm going to show you, based on existing values, in that cell, containing that cell, we can add formatting or conditional formatting based on existing value of that cell. But same way we can format our data or format our cells based on other cells. That is also possible. Now here you can see I have applied one conditional formatting here for those records which having city name Nashik. Means if Nashik is here, adjacent cell, this Ajay Dwivedi should be highlighted with this cyan color. Now you can see here I have applied this rule to this selected sales. Now I am showing you the rule here. This is the rule. I have applied one formula here, and based on this formula this cell will be formatted. Now I'll show you how it is working. Because Nasik is displayed here, automatically this cell is getting highlighted. Suppose this is Nagpur. Now I'm going to replace this with Nashik, and as soon as I press enter, you can see adjacent cell automatically getting highlighted. Same way again here Pune is displayed here. I'm changing this to Nasik, and you can see automatically adjacent cell is getting highlighted automatically. Now you can see here Nasik is already there. I'm going to change Nasik to Pune, and now this cell stops highlighting automatically. It means this is working automatically based on your applied condition. Data or cells are automatically getting highlighted. So this is the purpose of conditional formatting. Okay, now I'll show you how to apply conditional formatting in your data and how to edit conditional formatting and all the things. So here some built-in rules are given by Microsoft. Still we can create our own rules using formula. First of all, I'll show you built-in rules. Now you can see you have to select those cells in which conditional formatting is to be applied. So this is very important. That's why I'm selecting this range here. Something 20 records I have selected. In fee column I have some more records, but I have selected only 20 records, and I'm going to apply conditional formatting. So where this option is available in home tab, you need to select this conditional formatting in styles group. If I click here, it is displaying one drop down, highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, colors, scales, icons, new rule, and all the things. So I'm selecting first one. If I'm bringing my cursor over here, it is displaying one more drop down at the right end. Okay. So in this second drop down, it is displaying greater than. So this is greater than. Now I'm going to click on greater than. Now you can see it has opened one dialog box. This dialog box is displaying format cells that are greater than. Here one sentence is already given. Format cells that are greater than. Now this value is by default taken by Excel, and it is displaying. We can change this value whatever we want. I'm removing that value. I'm writing 75,000. Means format cells that are greater than 75,000 with this formatting. Light red fill with dark red text. So that's why you can see I have selected these 20 records. Within these 20 records, whichever values are greater than 75,000 are automatically highlighted with light red fill with dark red text. Now I'm going to click on OK button. Now you can see this rule is applied to this selected area, means this 20 cells we have selected, and now this rule is applied to this cell. Now if I am going to change this value, you can see this is 62,547. I am going to change this value to 80,000. 80,000 means this condition formatting will apply light red color to this cell because this value is greater than 75,000, and if I press enter, it will display the result. Got it? Now here you can see whatever I have selected, this value is greater than 75,000. That's why it is already displayed with red color. Now I am going to change this value to 50,000. Now you know this value is less than 50,000, 75,000. That's why formatting should not be there. It should be blank. Okay? And now you can see it is displaying. So this is called something conditional formatting. Based on my condition, my cells are automatically getting highlighted. If I'm changing value or editing value from those cells, automatically that rule will be displayed. Okay, now again I'm selecting this range, something 20 records I have to select. In condition formatting, again highlight same rules and greater than same. I'm selecting the same dialog box once again. I have already changed this value to 75,000. I'm changing this once again, and now you can see it is formatting with light red fill with dark red text. But I don't want this light red color. I can change this. Here in drop down I have some options. Now you can see yellow fill with dark yellow text. I'm going to select. If I click here, now you can see this rule is applied here. So this way you can select whatever formatting you want. Here you can see green fill with dark green text. Some more options are there. Light red fill only. There will be no formatting applied to font color, only light red fill. Okay, first of all I need to remove whatever condition formatting I have applied. So how to remove existing condition formatting? I am selecting those cells already I have selected, that range. Now in condition formatting, at the bottom you can see second last rule is clear rules. Second last option is clear rules, and it is showing two different options: clear rule from selected cells and clear rules from entire sheet. So based on your requirement you can use any of these. So right now I wanted to clear rules from selected range only, that's why I am going to click on this selected cells. Now you can see all rules are removed which were already displayed. Now the range is already selected. Now I am going to apply another rule. First of all, data is selected, then highlight cell rules and greater than. I am going to apply same rules here. Here I will change value to 75,000. Whatever value you can you want, you can define it here. Now I am going to select this drop down. You can see light red fill means only red fill will be displayed. Now you can see font color is not displayed, font color is not changed, only cell color is changed. Now I am applying another one, a red text. Only text will be red, nothing else. Now a red border means which cells are greater than 75,000, those cells will be displayed in a red color only. So only border will become red. Some more options are there. I have shown you these all things, but mostly used option is custom format. So I'm going to click on custom format. So as soon as I'm selecting custom format, you can see one more dialog box is displayed. Here in this dialog box, some more options are there. Number formatting is there, font formatting is there, border formatting is there, and fill is there. So so many options are there. Based on your condition, you can format. You can apply number formatting. If your condition is satisfied, currency symbol can be displayed to those cells only. You can add date formatting, you can apply accounting formatting, you can display those cells in fractions or in scientific notation. Whatever you want, you can do this using number formatting. But now I'm showing you one more thing. You can format font also. So if your condition is satisfied, you can apply font. You can make font bold, you can make font italic, regular, or you can make cell color, font color also you can change like this. See here, it is displaying here. What will happen? It is showing preview only. If I am selecting bold only, so you can see it is how it will be displayed in your selected cell or conditionally formatted cell. It is showing a preview only. Now I'm going to cancel it. Okay, again I'm showing you in custom format. Here Number formatting and font formatting we already see. You can see only borders can be formatted. In this border you can select which type of border you want, which type of lines you want, then line color can be selected, and again you can define in your cell at what location you are asking for border, at all four directions or only one line, whatever you want you can define here. I'm going to cancel it once again so that that rule will not be applied. I'm showing you custom format again. Now this fill is mostly used. Now what I am doing, I am applying this condition formatting once again. Now you can see, first of all I need to select set of cells, so I have selected these 20 cells. Now in condition formatting, first one is highlight cell rules, and in that greater than, I have selected this. Now I wanted to change this value to 75,000. Whatever value you want you can write it here. Now in this drop down I wanted to get custom format, and again in custom format mostly used is fill, so that's why I'm going to show you fill only. So in fill means if that condition is satisfied, cell color will be filled. Whatever cell color will define, that color will be filled. So here I am selecting green color, means if any value is greater than 75,000, in that case that cell will be highlighted with green cell, with green color. Now I am going to select OK here, and you can see again I need to click OK here so that that rule will be applied here. Now you can see this is highlighted, this entire range is highlighted. Whatever values are greater than 75,000 are automatically highlighted. Now you can see this value is less than 75,000. I'm changing this to 80,000. Now you can see it should be highlighted with green color. Okay, you can see it is working. Now this value is greater than 75,000. I'm changing this to 45,000. Now it should be with no color. Now you can see it is working. So this way condition formatting is applied. Okay, so this was first rule. I'll show you one by one. All rules I'll show you by default given by Excel for condition formatting. Okay, again I'm selecting condition formatting and clear rules. Now I can select, because I have not selected group of cells and I wanted to remove condition formatting, but this time I can use this entire sheet. I can remove condition formatting from entire sheet because I have applied only one color formatting, and I can use this option now. So that's why I'm selecting this, and now you can see it will remove entire condition formatting from my entire sheet. Okay, now again I'm going to select, I'll show you some more rules which is available in condition formatting. I'm selecting this range once again. I'm selecting this short range because I wanted to display it, but in your case you need to select entire data. Here in condition formatting, first rule highlight cell rules, and in first rule drop down you can see it is showing greater than. Now same as greater than, less than is also available. I'm going to click on less than, and now you can see same dialog box is displayed. You have to define value here. I'm selecting 75,000. I'm writing 75,000 once again, and in this drop down, with drop down, I'm going to select custom format. Now again I need to select fill. And now I wanted to display a red color for those values less than 75,000. So I'm selecting OK. Now you can see my applied rule is format cells that are less than 75,000 with red color. So I have selected this OK here. Now you can see only those values which are greater than less than 75,000 are displayed in green red color. Okay, at the same time now I can apply some more rules in that same range. So range is already selected. I am going to apply another rule in condition formatting, highlight cell rule and greater than. So we already applied this rule here, but now I'm again going to apply greater than 75,000, format cells that are greater than 75,000. So I need to apply my formatting. So I'm going to select custom format, and in custom format now I want to display all values which are greater than 75,000 should be displayed in green color. Now you can see this rule is applied, and now in this selected cells two rules we have applied. First one is less, if value is less than 75,000 it should be displayed in red cell color, and if it is more than 75,000 should be displayed in green color. Okay, so these two rules we have already applied. Now you can see it is working. If I am changing this value to 80,000, it should be green automatically, and this 80,000 or this 85,000 is already green. I am changing this to 45,000. Now it should be automatically displayed in red. Means it is working. But what about 75,000? Now I am going to write 75,000 here, and if I press enter, you can see there is no rule, because we have applied two rules only. First was less than 75,000 and another was greater than 75,000. That's why for perfect 75,000, if exact value 75,000 is there is no rule. So that's why it is not displaying with any color. In that case, here in this rule you can define rule like this. Here you can see greater than, instead of greater than you can write less than equal to, greater than equal to. Those all rules are available. I'll show you later how to apply those rules. Okay, so here I'm going to clear rules from selected range. Okay, now rules are clear, and again the range is already selected. I'll show you some more rules. Here I'm showing you in condition formatting, highlight cell rules is there. Now I'm selecting between. Now I can define whatever value I want should be displayed. Suppose I'm writing 50,000 here and 70,000 here or 80,000 here. So whatever values are between 50 to 80,000 will be highlighted automatically if I am applying this condition formatting here. Okay, so now I will show you only rules how to apply and how these rules are working. Now I am not going to show you every time how to apply condition formatting with custom format, because we already seen this. Now I will show you only rules, how rules are working and how condition formatting is to be applied with different rules. So we have seen three rules here. Again, I have selected the range. In highlight cell rules, fourth one is equal to. Now I am writing 70,000 here. And if I click OK, now no one value is displayed. Rule is applied already, but no one value is highlighted because we have given rule for same values. So suppose 60,000 is already here. I am writing one more 60,000 here, and now we can see. Okay, the rule was here. I'm going to select manage rules. My rule was sale value equal to 70,000. If 70,000 is there, that sale will be highlighted. Okay, now I'll show you how it is working. Now I'm writing 70,000 here. Now you can see this value is highlighted. If I have some more values, in that case all values will be displayed automatically. So whichever values are greater than or equal to 70,000, all values will be displayed. Because we have applied a rule for 70,000, whatever rule you will apply, that will be displayed in your selected cells. Again, I am going to clear rule. Now again the range is selected. I will show some more rules. Text that contain, for that I need to select some else. Okay, I'm editing something here. Now I'm selecting this range. Now I have selected something 20 records from C column, and I'm going to apply some condition formatting, highlight cell rules, and text that contain. So this rule I'm going to apply. Now you can see dialog box is displayed. Format cells that contain the text. format cells that contain the text, and here it is already one text is there, Priya Shirke. If Priya Shirke, this text is there, then this condition formatting will be applied and this cell will be highlighted automatically. Okay, but in case there will be a Priya Shirke, only one person may be there, so in that case it is displaying only one cell. But suppose I wanted to display all names having Priya, only Priya, so in that case you can see two Priya names are displayed, two cells are highlighted, Priya Shirke and Priya Zanka. Okay, so this way you can apply this rule, means it will format those cell which is containing text whatever you are going to define here. So instead of name, suppose I am going to display AS, so whatever cells contains A and S continuously, A and S anywhere in that text, you can say it will be highlighted. So AS is displayed here, you can see in Akash AS is there, in Aslam AS is there, in every cell Jaspal AS is there. So what in that same sequence, if text is displayed, text is there, it will be highlighted automatically if you are applying this condition formatting here. Okay, now I am going to cancel this rule. Now no one rule is applied, but again in condition formatting now next rule is for dates. So I am selecting dates first. So something 20 rows I have selected. Okay, now in condition formatting, first highlight cell rules in date occurring. Here you can see it has displayed one dialog box, and condition format can be applied for. Here we cannot write dates. Here it is asking for if it is yesterday, if I'm selecting yesterday, and if I click OK, Excel will do whatever dates are there of yesterday's dates. All yesterday's dates will be highlighted automatically. And how it will work? Now you can see in my system date is there. In my system, in every system date is there. Conditional formatting takes reference from your system date, and based on your system date it will find out yesterday date. Whatever values or whatever dates are displaying in your whatever dates are present in your selected data, if that date is yesterday date based on your system date, then all dates will be automatically highlighted. Okay, so here you can see some more options are there. Yesterday is there, today's date can be highlighted, and tomorrow's date can be highlighted. It will automatically update whenever you are opening your system. That date will be considered as today's date, and based on today, yesterday, tomorrow can be defined. Today, yesterday and tomorrow can be defined. Same way, current week means this week, last week or next week can be displayed, and same way month can be displayed, current month, this month, last month and next one. So this way you can define dates whatever present in your that column with your condition formatted rules. Okay, next one is duplicate values. So next one is duplicate values. This works for numerics, text and alphanumerics. Wherever you can see, now I am applying this condition formatting here. I have selected this range and I'm going to select condition formatting, highlight cell rules and duplicate values. So I'm selecting duplicate values, and now you can see most of the values are showing duplicate. I'm going to select OK here. Now you can see here it is showing waste. This is waste here, and so many waste records are there. Here you can see this is also waste. Again, this is also waste. What I can do, I am going to change this waste to south. Okay, now you can see its color will be automatically changed, but some south records are there. I'll show you in something else. Here I am writing some records. I will apply this rule once again here. Waste south, east and north. Okay, and I'm copying these records once again here. Okay, now I'm going to apply conditional formatting to this selected area. You'll come to know now how it is working. I am asking for duplicate values and I'm selecting the same formatting. Here you can see duplicate values, waste is there twice. Now I'm changing this waste to something else. Now you can see this waste, oh what I did, waste is here and waste is here also. I'm changing this waste with my name. Now we can see this waste has become unique because there is no duplicate now. I'll show you once again. This is south and here is also one south. So 2 times south is displayed. That's why it is showing it is duplicate. Okay. Now I'm changing one south to any other name, and as soon as I will change it, both will become unique. Both will become unique. Okay. So I'm writing Ash here. I will write Ashoka here. Now you can see this name is already unique. That's why it will automatically show without same color, and this south will be became unique now because there is only one south now. So that's why it became unique. So this way this rule is working. If duplicate records are there, then only it will be highlighted. Otherwise unique records are there, it will not highlight. Okay, so again I am going to clear all rules from my sheet. So using this option, entire sheet. Okay, some more rules are there. Now I'm selecting top to bottom rules. This second option I'll show you. Again I'm selecting some cells from this fee numerics. I have selected conditional formatting. Now I'm selecting second option, top bottom rules. So here select in that top bottom rules, I have selected top 10 items first. Okay, now you can see one dialog box is displayed and conditional formatting, it is already displayed. Now format cells that rank in the top. Format cells that rank in the top 10 means top 10 values of selected range will be highlighted. Now you can see this top 10 can be changed. Now I can change this value. You can see now I'm displaying top 4 values, top 3 values, top 2 values, top 1 value, whatever you want you can display here. So just you need to change this value, and if you click OK, that rule will be applied. Okay, and as soon as I'm changing any value, so that value will be automatically changed. Now here in this case you can see I'll show you. I'll edit this rule. Now I'm going to manage rules, and in editing rules here I'm showing top 2 values I wanted to display, only top 2 values. So it will display top 2 values only within that range. So you can see these 2 values are displayed, 95,600, 94,010, and now I'm going to change this value to 1,20,000. Now you can see this value is topmost value will become now, and out of these 2 values one will be highlighted. Which will be highlighted? 95,600, because now first value, topmost value is 1,20,000 and second ranked value is 95,600, and this value will not highlight it. It's highlight this same color will be automatically removed for 92,314. Okay, so this way as soon as I'm going to change values, this rule will automatically update it. Okay, first of all I wanted to clear entire sheet rules from entire sheet. Now next rule is in top bottom, top 10 percentage it is displaying. Again I am selecting some range here. I have selected these records. In conditional formatting, in second option, top bottom rules, top 10 percentage it is displaying. Okay, so top whatever range I have selected, in that range whichever value is ranking in percentage means 10%. It format cells that rank in the top 10 percentage. So I can change the 10% to 11, 12, 13, 14, whatever I want. I can change these values. Means percentage can be changed. Now you can show it is showing 30%. So whatever values are more than 30,000 or greater than 30,000 are displayed here. So this way you can apply this rule. I'm selecting another one. In top bottom rules, we have seen already these two rules, top 10 items and top 10 percentage. So same way, bottom 10 can be displayed. Here we have displayed top 10, so here we can display bottom 10, and as well as we have displayed top 10. Same way, top 10 bottom 10% also can be displayed. Now I'm showing you one more option, that is above average. So if I'm selecting this, it is displaying one color, and I'm selecting OK here. Now what it will do, whatever values are there, it will check average. Here you can see it is displaying average. 74404 is average of this selected sale. Now, so based on these values, whatever average is there, if value is greater than this average, format sales that are above average, means selected sales, average of these selected sales is 74404, and if any value from this range is greater than this average, will be automatically highlighted. Okay, so this rule is applied. Now you can see, if I'm changing any value, so in that case automatically average will be changed, and if changed based on that change average, all sale will be automatically highlighted. Now average is changed to 71470. Okay, so this option is working like this. So same way, above average and below average will be working. So values below average can be highlighted with a different colors. It is also possible. I'm going to clear rules first from entire sheet. Now another option is in conditional formatting. You can see we have seen these top two items. Now third option is data bars. So I'll show you how data bars are working. So first of all, I'm going to click single cell within name column, and I'm going to sort this name column. Now you can see name column is sorted in alphabetical order. Okay, now I'm selecting first cell of B column, and if I'm selecting, I wanted to select entire range. So using keyboard you can do this. I need to hold Control and Shift key. I'm going to hold Control and Shift key, and if I press down arrow key once only, then you can see it has that entire data is selected. Okay, so this way whatever records are there, automatically it has selected. Suppose I wanted to reach a last cell only. In that case, Control and down arrow key will work. Okay, Control up arrow key means you will reach last upper cell. Now in this case I wanted to select this range, that's why I will use keyboard shortcut Control Shift and down arrow key. If you press down arrow key twice, in that case you will reach last cell of our Excel sheet, that is 10,48,576th row. But I don't want to select that range, that's why I have selected once only. I hit arrow key once only, and now you can see this entire range is selected. And now in conditional formatting, I will show you third option, that is data bars. So if I'm bringing my cursor over here, you can see B column is getting highlighted. Automatically these color scales are displayed there. Data bars we can say them. So I'm going to select this one. You can select any one. I have selected this one, and if I click on this rule is applied here. Means now you can understand this value is 3, and bar length is very short, and this value is 84, 83. You can see based on value the length of width of bar is getting changed. So based on value, if value is bigger, then bar length is also bigger, and if the value from that cell is smaller, in that case bar length is also smaller. So based on this existing width of your column, whatever maximum value is there in that range will be a maximum width of that cell. Okay, so you can see if I am changing this, the rule will remain same. Based on the value, it will automatically adjust width of that column. Okay. I will show you in better way. I'm going to sort this column now. I'm going to sort this column in alphabetical order, means A to Z order. Now you can see This is lowest value, that is 1, and you can see it is showing only one line here. And if I am going to down sale, and now you can see this is 90 is the biggest value from this range, and you can see this entire width is fulfilled. If I am changing column width, still it is working fine based on that condition. Okay, so this is this first rule I was applied here. I am going to select entire range once again, and I am going to remove this rule, clear rule from selected cells. So rule is removed, and still that range is selected, and I can apply some more condition formatting in that selected range. So here in condition formatting, I am going to apply next option, that is color scales. So first option I am going to select, and you can see it is showing in our head green, yellow and red color scale. Color scale it is, and in this case we are not going to display data bars. So based on value, bar will not be displayed. Here you can see cell is already filled with full color. There is no bar. Cell is fully with color. But here you can see it is showing green, yellow and red. 3 zones it is showing. It means if your value is lowest value, in that case it will display in red color. And if it is greater than it is biggest value, in that case it will display in green color. Means if your value is getting changed from minimum to maximum, in that case first cell will be displayed in red color, and automatically slightly it will get changed towards red. Okay, so green will be highest value. Now lowest value will be displayed in red, then middle value will be displayed in color, yellow color, and highest will be in green. Now you can see I have applied this color, lowest values are displayed in red color, and automatically slowly this color scale is getting changed as soon as values are getting bigger, and after yellow slightly it is getting changed to green. Now you can see biggest value is displayed in green color. So this way this rule is applied. Again I am going to clear entire rules in selected sheets. Again I am going to select the range. Here condition formatting, highlight cell rules. Now I wanted to show icon sets. So in icon sets I am going to select this first one. Okay, 3 traffic signals it is showing. So I have something 90 records selected in my B column, and I wanted to get 3 traffic signals. So 3 traffic signals will be divided in 90 records. Means so minimum to maximum it will be create 3 sets, and it will apply this color scales. Means it will apply 3 signals. We can say I have selected this. Now you can see first 30 values will be displayed with the red signal. Here you can see, because we have 90 records only, so 90 records divided by 3 means 30 records. So 30 records are displayed in red color. 31 to 60, all next 30 records will be displayed in yellow color, and 61 to 90, all records will be displayed in green color. Okay, so this is something called in condition formatting icon sets. Okay, I'm going to clear rules from entire sheet, and again I'm going to select this range. I'll show you last rule. Control shift down, I'm selecting entire range. In condition formatting icon sets, I'm going to select last one, this one. This is having five options, 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm selecting total. I have 90 records, and now I have selected 5 icons. 90 divided by 5 means 18. So it will display. Now you can see 18 records will be displayed here. There will be no any quarter filled. No quarter is filled. It is an entire full empty circle. It is displaying 18 records. From 18, more 18, next 18 records will be displayed with 1 quarter filled. Okay, you can see up to 36 there is 1 quarter, and next 18 records will be displayed in 2 filled quarters. Here you can see up to 54 it is displaying 2 quarters, and after that 3 quarters up to 72, and last 18 records will be displayed with full cell color. So this is conditional formatting. Whatever rule you want you can apply in your data. It helps to visualize your data. No need to check conditions. It will display in colors so that you will come to know which value is bigger, which value is lower, which formatting, whatever condition formatting you are applied, based on that condition your data can be highlighted. So visually you can understand what is happening with my data. Okay, now next topic is lookup. In our video, our next topic is lookup. So the name of technique is lookup. Under lookup, VLookup, HLookup, index, match, offset, these functions are used. So here I will show you what lookup is working, what lookup function is working. Now here you can see I have 2 columns. First B column is showing some branch names, and I wanted to give some gift vouchers to branch wise students, to students branch wise. So here I wanted to give 100 rupees to all aeronautical students, 200 to agriculture, 300 to automobile, like this. Now how I can get the results here? So here I can I'll show you one drop down is here. One drop down is here. Suppose I wanted to select aeronautical here. So based on this branch, automatically it is displaying what voucher he should give. Means aeronautical should get 100. Now I'm selecting civil, you should get 700. And now I'm selecting civil from this drop down. Now you can see it is showing 700. Okay, so this way I'll show you how this function is working. I'm going to delete this function, and now I'm writing this function once again. First of all, I need to write is equal to, and if I start writing lookup, it will display in this drop down. I need to double click on lookup, and one more thing I need to do, I will select cursor here. I will click my cursor in formula bar so that tooltip will displayed, and all entire formula will be displayed in formula bar. Now you can notice this lookup function is having 2 different tooltips. So whatever criteria you are going to insert, based on that criteria it will automatically select a tooltip whatever you want, but it is just for your reference whatever input you wanted to give. So here in this case I wanted to use first one. Okay, here it is asking for lookup value. Lookup value means always what is to be searched. Lookup value means what is to be searched. Okay, so here it is asking which value you wanted to search. So I will show you B3 means whatever value, sorry, not B3, I wanted to write this here. Again I am going to write is equal to lookup, and it is asking for lookup value. This value is to be searched. F3 value, whatever value is there, any F3 is to be searched. I am setting comma so that Excel will come to know first criteria is completed, and now it is asking for second criteria. Now Excel is asking lookup vector means where this value is present, where I need to search this value, that this value is there present or not present. So in that case I need to define that range where this value is available. Okay, so it is asking for lookup vector. So civil is present in this vector. So that's why I have displayed B3 to B16. This is my vector. In this vector, I can display, Excel can search this value. Okay. Now I need to put comma so that Excel will come to know third criteria. It will ask for third criteria. Second criteria is completed. Now it is asking for result vector. So if civil is found there, what is the result should be displayed? So where is your result vector? So in that case I will select this second column, that is C column, means the result vector is this. Means if civil is found here, in that case 700 is to be displayed. If CAD CAM is found, 500 to be displayed. If aeronautical found, then whatever value is there in front of that cell, that value will be displayed as a result. So I have displayed to this C column, and I'm going to close the bracket, and if I press enter, you can see it is displaying 700. Okay, but suppose in case I have some more records here, I have some more records here, and I wanted to check every cell. Okay, and based on this cell, I wanted to get a result here. For that, I need to drag this formula downside. Okay, I'm dragging this formula down, and now you can see it is not displaying some result. Actually, it is showing NA for analytical. Here you can see analytical should get 100, but it is not getting 100 here because our formula is wrong. Whenever you want to drag formula downside or right side, you must think, is it there any requirement to put a dollar sign or not? This is very important. So always remember, whenever you are writing any formula and you need to drag it downside or right side, you should think first, is there any requirement of dollar sign? You need to put dollar sign there or not. You need to check all references. Okay, so here you can see as soon as I am dragging this formula down, automatically this F3 is getting changed to F4, F5, F6, F7. That is fine, but this range is also going down. B3 to B16 is also going down, and this is also going down. I'll show you how it is working. Now, how it is going down. Now you can see here for CAD CAM, it is searching values in B9 to B22. B9 is from here. This is B9 from that load. It is not selecting in upper cells. That's why it is not getting result. And same way, it is whenever I am dragging this formula down, references are getting changed. So that's why I need to block these two ranges. Both ranges should be blocked. So I have blocked these ranges now. Now if I am dragging this formula down, I will get correct results. We have seen earlier also importance of dollar sign and how to where and how many dollar signs are required. We already work on that. That's why I'm not going in details. I have just dragged this formula, and now you can see I am getting correct results. For analytical, I am getting 100. Suppose I am going to change this analytical to automobile. So for automobile, it should get 300, and now you can see it is changing. So automatically it is working. For ENTC, it should show 900. Now you can see it is displaying 900 also. Means this is working fine. So this was lookup. I'll show you next topic, that is VLookup. This is very important topic, and VLookup is mostly used technique in advanced Excel in your day-to-day work. So I will show you what is concept of VLookup first. VLookup means vertical lookup and HLookup means horizontal lookup. So but mostly 90% VLookup is used in our day-to-day work. Okay, here why VLookup is used, I will show you. First of all, just look at this screen and this data, whatever I have selected. This is called main data table, and another table is here, that this is called reference data table. Okay, now in this main data table, you can see some records are displayed here, name of students, branch, category, hometown, date of birth, and I wanted to get some records records here of mobile number, but it is already not there. You can say this already data created few years back, you can see, and that time mobile numbers were not collected. Now I have this data, and this is not the small data. It may be, you can say it may be 5,000 records. You can say this is this data, it may be of any engineering college, and in engineering colleges 5,600 6,000 students can be there. And suppose in main data you have something 5,000 records, suppose we'll assume it, and now I wanted to get mobile number from every student, and I wanted to update this 5,000 records using mobile number. So every student's mobile number I wanted to get it here. But now I already have this data. Now I wanted to collect mobile numbers, so that I will gather this information, and whenever this data will be collected, again each and everything will not be asked what is your branch, what is your category, because this data already we have. Now I will collect this data only, name of student and mobile number. Only two records will be collected. Now my task is, I have collected this data. Now I got these records. Now these are 6,000. not equal record. In some cases you can see some students are getting admission, newer students are coming, or some students are leaving college, whatever is. But you just assume that I have two tables. In main table I have 5,000 records, and in another table I have 6,000 records. Okay, now what I wanted to do, in my main data Ajay Dwivedi is here. This name is here. Now I wanted to search this name in my another data, this data, and in this data if Ajay Dwivedi is found, whatever mobile number is there in front of that same, I wanted to get copied here, and I wanted to bring this here in my G5 cell. So this way, if you don't know VLookup, you need to work physically. For example, I'll show you. I'm selecting Suchita Tuse, this name. So what I will do, I have selected, I have copied this name, and in find and select, I will search this name. I will paste whatever I copied, and I will find it. Okay, find next, and it will show this is. I will search this in different file or different table. Right now I have displayed these two tables in one sheet, but it may be in different sheets, or it may be in different Excel workbook also, Excel files also. It doesn't matter. Now whatever record, if this record is found here, now it is displaying this number. Now what I will do, I will copy this cell and I will come back in this sheet and paste it here. Okay, so this way I can bring records one by one, but I have 6,000 records, and this way if I am trying to work, it will take much times. Okay, that's why VLookup is used. This is very best technique, and you can see same output we can get using few seconds only. For that you need to write one formula. Here only I wrote one formula, and if I am dragging it down, all records can be bring here. Okay, within one formula you will get this. Okay, I'll show you how VLookup is working. Okay, I am writing VLookup once again here. Is equal to VLookup. Now in VLookup it is asking for lookup value. Lookup value means what is to be searched. What is to be searched? I wanted to search Ajay Dwivedi, so that's why I have selected Ajay Dwivedi here. Okay, now I am inserting comma so that Excel will come to know second what is second criteria. It is asking second criteria. Now it is asking for table array. Table array means where to be searched. Where to be searched. Where I have to search this name. So I am showing this record. In this data it is to be searched. Okay, and as earlier we have seen, I need to put $sign here because I am dragging this formula down. In that case table should remain there only, it should not go down. Okay, so I have inserted one $sign before 29 and before 5. Now I have inserted comma, and Excel is asking third criteria, column index number. Means if Ajay Dwivedi is found here in this another data, what result I wanted to display, in that case I wanted to show second number column. Means name column is first column and mobile number is second number column. So that's why whatever is there in front of that name in second column should be displayed here. That's why I wrote 2 here. Means resultant column should number should be 2, and again I put comma, and it is asking for two types of option. It has given exact match and approximate match, true or false. So in this case I wanted to get exact match. So means if in my main data Ajay Dwivedi is there, and in my another data Ajay Dwivedi should be there, then and then only that mobile number should bring here. If Ajay Dwivedi is here and in another table Ajay Trivedi is there, it should not work. Again Ajay Dwivedi is here and Ajay Chaturvedi is there in another data, it should not give that output. Means exact match. If that name is matching exactly, in that case only I wanted to give the result. So that's why I'm selecting exact match. I need to double click on exact match. If I close the bracket and if I press enter, you can see this number is brought here. So Ajay Dwivedi's number, you can see this number is here. Same number can be same. Excel brought this number here, and now I'm just dragging it down and done. So this is concept of VLookup. This way VLookup is working. I will show you some more examples. This time you can see here, this is my main data. Main data means mostly in which data we are writing VLookup. That table is called main data table, and reference data table means that value I'm going to search in that table, means that is called reference data table. In that table we are going to search that value. Okay, that's why it is called a reference data table. Okay, and now I have selected this data. I need to select values. I have to select here in this area, so that's why this is column number 1. Column number 1 means here you can say I'm going to search name. I'm going to search name. So again this column should be common column. Here you can see this should be a common column. Whatever I am going to search, that column header is name. Here you can see Ajay Dwivedi column header is name, and same column should be here. Same column should be here, and from that column you need to select data. Okay, so this should be common column. Name column should be common column. Means whatever VLookup you wanted to write, that column should be a common column. And you need to start dragging from that column, means where I wanted to search that data. So you have to drag from common column. That is very important. Okay. Okay, so here both tables are in one sheet only, that's why it is working fine. But these two tables may be at different locations. It may be in one workbook at different sheets, or it may be in different workbooks. Wherever it is, you can link these two tables, and whatever information you want, you can drag it or grab it. Okay, I will show you VLookup in another way. Here I have this data. This is my main data table, and here in this case it is my reference data table. These two tables are here. These are reference data table. Now I wanted to give gift branch wise, means all civil students should get a gift of ₹100, all computer engineering should get 200, all ENTC should get 300, IT should get 400, and mechanical should get 500. Like that I wanted to get output using VLookup. So what I will do here, first of all I need to write VLookup here. Now what is to be searched? I will start writing is equal to VLookup. So VLookup is started. I need to click in formula bar. Now it is asking for lookup value. What is to be searched? What is to be searched? So here in this case I wanted to search branch. Okay, so branch wise gift I wanted to give. So I wanted to search this civil in that record, and if civil is found, respected based on civil, whatever gift is there, I wanted to bring it here. Okay, now first of all it is asking for lookup value. So whatever is there in D5 is to be searched. I need to put comma here. Okay, now it is asking table array. Where is your data? In that data I need to search the civil. Okay, so in this case I should select that sheet where this data exists. So for that, without losing selection, here I am selecting this another sheet where my data is present, that is reference table. Now I'm going to click on this sheet name, and as soon as you can see I click on sheet name, that sheet name is displayed in my formula bar and exclamation mark. Now in this table, in this sheet, where is my data? I'm selecting this entire range D5 to G10. Again I need to mask with $, because whenever I will drag formula there in that sheet down, this table should not move down. That's why I'm going to insert $signs here. Okay, so only 5 and 10 is masked with $. Now I have put comma, means now it is asking for column index number, means resultant column number. If D5 is found in this table, what output you are expecting, that column number I have to display. Now in this case, civil is column number 1, hometown is column number 2, category is 3, and gift column number is 4. In this case, if civil is found here, I wanted to get a gift of ₹100. That's why I should write here column number 4. because gift column number is 4. From branch column, you can see branch column number is 1, hometown is 2, category is 3, and gift is 4. Why branch is 3? Branch 1, branch column is common column, because we are going to search this column in both tables. So that's why we need to start dragging from common column. That's why in this case branch is common column, and I'm starting to count branch as 1. This is column number 1, hometown is 2, category 3, and gift column number is 4, and resultant column number is 4. That's why it is asking for column index number, means resultant column number, and I'm displaying 4. Means if civil is found, whatever is there in 4th column should be displayed as a result. Okay, now I'm inserting comma, and now it is asking for match time. So 90% times you can say mostly exact match is used. That's why I'm going to double click on exact match, and all 4 criteria are completed. I need to close the bracket here in this sheet, and if I press enter, remember you should not move from this sheet to this sheet again and again. If you are doing this, you will never get result of VLookup. So first of all, start writing VLookup in first sheet, and then move to another sheet and complete entire formula in next sheet and press enter. Then automatically Excel will bring you in first sheet. So here you can see we are working in next sheet now. Now if I press enter, Excel will bring me back in my existing sheet, and result is here. You can see I need to drag this formula down, and done. Now in this case you can see in some cases it is displaying NA, #NA error. NA means not applicable. For automobile I don't want to give any gift. You can see for automobile in next table here, automobile is not there, means I don't want to give any type of gift for automobile student. That's why these students are not getting gift. Okay. So this way VLookup is working. I'll show you one more example. Now in this case I'm using this different table. This is my reference table now. Earlier we have used this table, but this time I'm going to use this different table. Okay. Now based on this table I wanted to get some information. So registration number is my common column now, and based on this common column I wanted to give gift. Okay. So which student is having registration number 5, he will get gift of 100. Registration number 2 will get 200, 15 will get 300, 20 will get 400, and 25 will get 500. So only 5 numbers will get this much gifts. Okay, and remaining will not get anything. So I wanted to get the same output using using VLookup. So what I will do here, I'll select this cell where I wanted to write a formula. Okay. Now again I need to put is equal to sign and start writing VLookup. In drop down VLookup is displayed. I need to double click on it, and once again I need to click on formula bar so that everything will be moved on top side. First of all, it is asking for lookup value. So what is my lookup value? In this case my common column is changed. This is not now this is not branch column. Our column is registration number now. So this is my common column. So I need to select this cell. Whatever is there in B5 is to be searched in that another column. Okay, another table. So I'm selecting B5, and if I put comma, it is asking second criteria, table array, means where this data is to be searched. Whatever contents are there in B5, where this content should be search. So I need to select another sheet here, and I need to select this entire sheet. In this case you notice my common column is registration number. That's why I have started dragging from this. Suppose in this case if my common column is something else, so suppose common column is gift, in this case I need to drag from data from common column. So from common column you need to select the table. That is very important. Now in this case again I am selecting this data from see look at screen. So I use this once again and again, so that's why it wrote T3 times, and definitely now this will not work. So I need to write once again. Okay, again I am writing is equal to VLookup, what is to be searched. So this is B5, whatever is B5, whatever is there in B5 is to be searched. Then where to be searched? In reference table in another sheet. Here you can see, because of tooltip we cannot write it here, but we can do this trick. I'm selecting this range once again. Now again I need to put $sign here because it should not go down. Then I am setting comma here. Now it is asking for resultant column number. See, I can move this using move option. You can see this tooltip can be moved. Okay, now it is asking for column index number, means resultant column number. In this case, if this number is found here, resultant column number is 2, gift column number is 2, because registration number column is 1, this is my common column, and this is my second number, this is gift. So resultant column is 2 now, so that's why I will write 2 here. And again, if I put comma, it is asking for match type, so I need to double click on exact match and it will write false. Okay, now I need to close bracket, and as soon as I am going to close the bracket, tooltip should disappear if your data is correct. Okay, so that is disappeared, and if I press enter, it will come back in my existing sheet and result is there. I am dragging it down, and now you can see it is displaying for 5, registration number 5 is getting 100, registration number 10 is getting 200, 15 is getting 300, like that. 14 is getting, sorry, 20 is getting 400, and 25 is getting 500. So we are getting correct output this way. So this way VLookup is working. Okay, now I'll show you one more formula. Same formula I wrote twice, and both time we use false. So what is true, I'll show you. I'm going to copy this entire formula. I am going to paste it here. You just don't do this because you may get wrong results here, because whenever we are copying formula or dragging formula, it is getting, references are getting changed. So in that case you may get wrong result, but I did it here correct. The method of copying formula is different method what we have seen on screen, but don't just copy and paste this cell. In that case the references will automatically get changed, so don't do that. Instead of copying this formula, you just write this formula once again. That is very simple. Okay, now here you can see I am going to select approximate match. I am going to select approximate match, and if I press enter, now you can see I am getting something else. I am getting result something else. Okay, so I'll show you how it is working. I am copying this table here in this sheet. Okay, now you can see here for 5 number we want to give gift of ₹100. So that's why in this result it has not given anything to first 4 numbers, nothing. Then because we told Excel to give gift from 5, so it has given ₹500 to 5th record, but after that we told Excel to give 200 for 10 serial number. So that's why in this case what Excel did, 5 to 9 all records are getting 100, 10 to 14 are getting 200, 15 to 19 are getting 300, 20 to 24 are getting 400, and above 25 will get 500. So this is approximate match. I already told you this is not mostly used, but it started looking in range now. Whenever you want to get results using range, in that case this type of VLookup is used. Mostly if you are going to calculate income tax percentage, so based on salary or taxable salary, on what percent you wanted to calculate income tax, that can be defined, means based on your taxable salary, means 0 to 5 lakh, whatever salary is there between 0 to 5 lakh, there should not be a tax. So in that case it will show 0%. So 5 lakh to 10 lakh it will show 10%, like that it will work in range. In that case only VLookup is used. So that's all in this video today. Thank you very much.